Where's the directions at? Over here. Brand new. That way we can put it over here. Put my boat underneath. Keep the leaves out of it. Now we just gotta figure out how to put it. We gotta put it over here now. Clean all this stuff up. Oh yeah, dude, just press the button. Very good. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm sanding the whole entire boat with 320. I've kind of started here. The other side is pretty sanded, but I did this last night. So I'm gonna hit it all over again with some 320 with my little thing here. Try to get everything flattened out and nice and smooth. You can see I sanded into a lot of the bad spots back here. Another one that was something up here. And some cracks. So yeah, I'm just gonna sand the whole, look right here. Some little spider cracks. There's some more somewhere over here. But I'm gonna sand everything down and then probably take the seat out of it and cut the floor out. So I'm gonna keep on going. Oh. See the last crack right here? Too close. Paint looks good when you spray it with water now.
Yeah, it
It
is.
used to not look like that. Took off the top. Look at how nice that looks. It's like it's a fresh paint job with a clear coat on it. We just took the top layer like it faded shit off. Except right there. That's gonna stay right there. So look right here. Let me see the camera. If you can see little cracks right there. There's a crack that goes, it's probably really hard to see on camera, all the way down. There's a bunch of bumps right here. That needs to get sanded out. Cracks. Keep on sanding, boy. Alright, right now I'm taking the seat out. Come over here. Alright. Let's see what's underneath. Wow. Oh, that's some trash. Bunch of freaking garbage. Still hard though. My plan is to cut each side all the way out and then put another seat like that back here. I wonder what is in here though. Look at this. You see this? How much stuff? There's like a bottle of empty can of starting fluid. Some White Claws. Right now I can't even get my gas tank out. If I were to take my battery out, there's still not enough room to slide my gas tank out. So I'm just getting rid of all of this. And then I can do another one of these little platform things, set a seat on it. Be perfect. Boat's pretty much sanded. Starting to dry. I still gotta do the whole inside. That's why I wanted to get this out of the way. There's still a bunch more that needs to be done, but for right now I'm about to just cut the floor out. Rolling. All right, so I put acetone on this rag, and you can see right here. It looks good, other than I don't know if the camera will focus on it, but there's just some little scratches right here, all the way down there, and there's some right here, and I'm looking for a flat finish like that. So, and this side over here looks pretty bad. You guys can tell. So yeah, keep on sanding, huh? Got everything up here pretty smooth. Got most of the edges sanded out. Pretty much everything down here is done. I just gotta get the inside all around the edges. And a little bit in the creases. Probably take that out. Other than that though, it's pretty damn sanded down. Get up in the cracks. I got these little dots pretty good. I just got a light set up in here. And I got some extra tools, another battery. And I don't like how this water won't drain, because it kind of goes low, higher, higher, and then the back of the boat. And I have this thing on a jack. Like, it's a double axle trailer, so it's kind of hard to jack up. I'm pretty sure the front tire's off the ground, and this water still won't drain out the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep cutting away, get this pretty much straighter than it is now, and see what else I can do to get this water out of here first, honestly. Alright, so I went ahead and I cut out both of them. That one's gonna be next. I also sanded some stuff inside, but I kind of just wanted to see what I was working with. That will be gone. These will probably be gone too, but I just want to open them here. That way I can figure out exactly what needs to be done for seats. But other than that, I got everything sanded down pretty smooth, the whole boat. There's some more stuff on the inside and the edges and stuff like that. But I'm filthy and I'm tired, and it's Saturday night, and I kind of just want to go sit inside and probably edit this video, eat dinner, watch some YouTube. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, stay tuned, because I got a lot more coming for this thing. This is just the first video. We got a whole paint job and a whole floor and everything going into this, so hopefully make it look like this one. My other truck's over there for the rear end. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.